Sash, it's Friday.
Chris!
It's Friday.
Woo!
Oh, how's your week been? It's been alright?
It's been good.
It's been
Got a
good.
coffee.
Happy Bow Tie Friday. Happy Bow Tie Friday. Filter people! Oh.
Something about a Friday.
Sash, you know I love tools. I love tools.
Yeah, I was going to say something there.
I wake up in the mirror every no, I don't wake up in the mirror. I wake up every morning, look in the mirror and see a tool.
You said that? No.
Every single morning. However, people, I'm hoping I'm bringing you some love and some sunshine on a Friday. And yes, so we are standing in front of, and I've written it down because I can never remember, I'm standing in front of an oil removal from condensate on an FPSO tool. So this is a...
cool.
This is a little hire skid that we put together for the boys at Woodside. Shout out to the to Woodside and all of the hard working people there.
Yeah, good team there.
So it came back from Goodwin Alpha, where it was basically sitting, and it is now heading off in its journey across the waters, and heading over to the Asian region, and it'll be over there until around about June or July, which is where it's coming back from hire from there. So if you're doing a shutdown on any of the rigs and you're looking for something as a bit of a backup while you're doing any work on your cyclone units or anything else on the rigs, or you just want to take care of that, any produced water or any slops water or bits and pieces, talk to us, because for oil and gas,
This is it.
this is where it's at.
Now, I know we've got the big fisheye lens happening here, but to give our filter people the perspective, this is only a 2.1 by 3 meter skid. Pretty compact. And we're in a open top container here, because the guys will be lifting it up, getting it ready to ship it over the seas.
Yes.
But we've got a walking platform there to access everything, very compact. And one thing that I do know, which we have said multiple times, is that this system, along with all of our other MySelect technology systems, can handle oil spikes. So in whatever the case or the conditions of that water you got to treat, it can handle it, manage it, and have the correct discharge levels that you need to on site. All right, I'm done.
Whew! I don't need to be here anymore. You can just do it all.
Go, use your paper.
Oh, I don't need to use my paper. I can tell you what I can use my paper for. Obviously,
Paper aeroplanes?
Obviously not much. Oh, also, look, I'm reading down here, Sarge, it's pretty good. The pressure vessels are built to AS 1210 standard. Piping is ASME 831.3. Obviously, all of the engineers out there will understand what that means. Material is 316 stainless steel. Obviously, not the bit that I'm hanging onto. That's all galvanised, but the pressure vessels and everything are all 316 stainless steel, which is really good. And look, it's got lifting lug certified base frame, lifting cradle frame. Anyway.
That stuff.
Sorry about that. But anyway, all of that stuff.
Take 5, I'm going to have to put in paper cards.
That's it, I'm ready to yes.
So yeah,
yes.
that's it.
So that's good. So obviously this is a different level in terms of certification and everything else that we normally do with our mining brothers and our industrial brothers and sisters. However, with our oil and gas brothers and sisters, we've got something to help you. So if you've got an emotional feeling of some description, ring us. We are your filter go-to supplier and
That's right.
solution stuff.
Yeah.
Solution stuff when we're making solutions for stuff. Yes.
Shout outs.
Shout outs.
I just thought of one.
Yes.
Getting the band back together. This is a shout out to Jig over at Woodside. So.
Heard all about it, Jig. Need to see some results. Results from you.
Any other shout out?
Yeah, shout out to FX Physio, my mate Matt. Thank you very much. Obviously, I'm going to Nepal in April, doing the old base camp trek.
Yeah.
And Max suggested a lovely stretch called a Cossack stretch, which was basically in the position like you're doing a lunge and stretching out. I suggested that maybe the Cossack stretch was more to do with a shot glass and of vodka, which is more my... Sorry, Matt.
Oh, dear.
I am following you religiously in what you suggest I do to make sure that I'm in peak performance. Peak performance people going to Nepal.
Go look after the team.
Oh.
Any other shout-outs?
Shout out. Jamie Peters, who's been away touring the globe up in Canada and everything else from Mineral Resources.
Stop it.
I need a game of golf from you, brother, so give me a ring. We've got to get that organised.
By no means are we practicing for the Petroleum Club Golf Day or the Mining
No,
Club Golf Day.
no, because we don't need
No.
any practice.
No.
You know, we don't need any practice at all. You know, all of this is totally scripted, and it's never off the cuff.
Absolutely
Off the
not.
cuff, people. So yes. So look, as we always say, although the sun's shining externally, internally with a lot of the people that you work with, the sun may not be shining and they may not be having a good day because of external.
Yeah.
And a big shout out to Jane and obviously our work colleague Steve Clark. Hope that you guys are doing well and thinking of you today. And also for everybody else that's out there, make sure your people are going okay and make sure they're doing all right.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
You know, just make sure mentally they're where it's at because we're all busy every day. Oh,
The hustle, the grind, it's all going down.
I got no nose. I'm going to have to go to a plastic surgeon, get it rebuilt. You got no idea. I'm just like grinding it off on that stone, Sash. Grinding it.
Oh no, I'm going to have to bring out the old telephone book and find yourself a surgeon.
Oh, I'm going to have to do that. Which would be interesting. Oh.
Anyway.
So that's about it really for us.
Have you got
What are
a
we
fun
doing?
fact?
Fun fact. I've got absolutely no fun fact. Apart from the fact that, as far as I'm aware, leopards don't walk backwards.
Ooh.
If anybody can send me a video and show me a leopard walking backwards, that would be fantastic. But as far as I know, I haven't seen any evidence of that. And obviously I spend a majority of my time on YouTube, besides other things, looking for leopards walking backwards. So shout out to all the leopards. I'm sure you can walk backwards, but I've never seen it. So that's my fun fact.
I
Personally,
like it.
from the sales department. All right, as crazy as we are, as I am, because I'm kind of sort of it.
Yes.
But there you go. Yes.
This is a new addition to the Bowtie collection.
Woo!
This is Bowtie Fridays.
It
Show
is
the
Bowtie.
people, give them a little insight.
Okay, so anyway, so this little bad boy, I ended up obviously jumping on the internet and just got a whole bunch of different colours, people. Whole bunch of different colours, 100% silk bow ties. And
good.
got them delivered through, so most happy with that. So,
Yes.
so over the next coming weeks, I'll be sporting a different colour with a wacky, weird design. And to all the Petroleum Club members, shout out to all of you guys, but when you see me at the next events, I will be wearing some crazy bow ties for those events. So,
And I will do a shout out to the Mining Club. We haven't forgotten about you guys. We're looking forward to those first events for the year. So it'll be really good.
oops.
Just gotta make sure we're sharing the love.
We've got to share the love. And all you industrial brothers and sisters and everybody else out there.
Yes, we love everyone.
Oh,
They're
look.
all the favourites.
Just like the program. Make my head fatter so I can actually walk out of this, not walk out of this container. Probably can't do it now.
Quite cosy, actually.
It is quite cosy. It's nice not having the sun on us, but having it on the
Yes.
apparatus behind us.
Absolutely.
That worked out rather well.
My system.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. Well.
We're going to
should we wrap
go.
up?
So basically, as we always say, stay well, stay happy, and value your time.
Okay. Oh, I love the back crack. You know, it went well.
Oh, you did. Alright, that's all right.
Hello.
I'm Filter Man. The AOG dance.
Well, I feel like it's like the little Slinky Man and like.
Hello.
Oh.